Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover a Trust Wallet private key. Start by locating your 12-word seed phrase or any exported private key file, and stop using the wallet to prevent data overwrite. Verify the exact order of seed words and check for typos or swapped words. Prepare a secure offline environment, such as an air-gapped device, and use verified recovery steps with a reputable tool or the official Trust Wallet recovery flow. Start by double-checking your seed phrase order and spelling. A single mistake stops recovery. Open Trust Wallet Recovery or a compatible wallet's import function and enter the 12-word seed phrase exactly as written. After import, review all derived addresses and balances carefully before making any transfers. If addresses look unfamiliar, pause and verify derivation paths. Always move a small test amount, first to confirm control of funds before larger transfers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs nicely with securing digital assets by building smarter financial habits. Check the description for the book link and other deals if you want to explore it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the expected addresses do not appear, try alternate derivation paths or compatible wallet imports. Use reputable recovery tools only on secure, offline systems to prevent leaking sensitive data. For partially lost seed words, methodically test plausible words and keep a careful record of attempts. Never share partial phrases online. When in doubt, consult a professional recovery service and avoid risky shortcuts that could expose your seed phrase or private keys to attackers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.